Hey everyone, I'm Rachel Lipton. I'm a professional leadership and holistic wellness coach and yoga instructor. And I'm here with my friend Janet Pack, who's an image stylist. And we're cooking up something really amazing and wanted to share and have you join.
Because Rachel does work from the inside out and I work from the outside in. We are joining forces to bring you the best of both worlds. So, we're offering an interactive workshop where you'll come away with a clear, personalized vision of who you are and who you want to be on the inside out.
You're going to learn about what's most important to you right now and who you want to be in the future. And then we'll talk about how to manifest that through your style and build your own personalized vision.
So, join us on Saturday, March 9th at Bloom Yoga Collective in San Leandro or Saturday, April 27th at Neon Co-working in San Francisco.
We are so excited to offer this event, and we think that you'll really love it too. So bring your bestie, and we'll be there for an afternoon of creativity and inner and outer radiance. Hope to see you there.
See you soon.